Welcome to our channel. Are you ready to torch calories and melt away fat with a full body workout routine? You're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to take you through a high-intensity, fat-burning workout that targets all major muscle groups, helping you build strength, increase endurance, and burn calories long after your workout is done. Get ready to sweat and feel the burn. Let's jump into it. Warm-up. Before we dive into the main workout, it's essential to warm up your body to prevent injury and prepare your muscles for exercise. Spend 5 to 10 minutes performing dynamic stretches and movements such as arm circles, leg swings, high knees, and jumping jacks to get your heart rate up and your blood flowing. Circuit workout. This full-body fat-burning workout consists of a series of exercises performed in a circuit format. Complete each exercise for the specified number of repetitions or time, then move on to the next exercise with minimal rest in between. Aim to complete the entire circuit 2 to 3 times for a complete workout. Squats, 15 repetitions. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Lower your body down into a squat position by bending your knees and lowering your hips towards the ground, then push through your heels to return to the starting position. Push-ups, 10 repetitions. Start in a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart. Lower your body down until your chest nearly touches the ground, then push back up to the starting position. Burpees, 10 repetitions. Begin in a standing position, squat down and place your hands on the ground. Kick your feet back into a plank position. Perform a push-up, jump your feet back to your hands, then explode up into a jump, reaching your arms overhead. Lunges, 12 repetitions per leg. Step forward with one foot and lower your body down until both knees form 90-degree angles. Then push through your front heel to return to the starting position. Alternate legs with each repetition. Mountain climbers, 30 seconds. Start in a plank position. Bring one knee towards your chest and then switch legs in a running motion, keeping your core engaged and your hips stable. Russian twists, 15 repetitions per side. Sit on the ground with your knees bent and feet lifted off the ground. Lean back slightly, and twist your torso to the right, then to the left, while holding a weight or keeping your hands clasped together. Plank, 30 to 60 seconds. Hold a plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders and your body in a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core and glutes to maintain stability. Cool down. After completing the circuit, take a few minutes to cool down and stretch your muscles to aid in recovery and flexibility. Perform static stretches targeting all major muscle groups, holding each stretch for 15 to 30 seconds. Congratulations on completing this full-body fat-burning workout routine. By incorporating high-intensity exercises that target multiple muscle groups, you can maximize calorie burn and achieve your fat loss goals more efficiently. Remember to listen to your body, stay hydrated, and modify exercises as needed to suit your fitness level. Keep up the hard work, and you'll be on your way to a stronger, leaner body in no time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.